Good morning, my dear friends. Happy to see you again, your smiling face. First of all, I am taking one important chapter, the importance of organization for our human race. You know, there are two sectors. One is agriculture sector, another is industry sector or service sector. Both are very much important for this human race. These two sectors are the two important pillars or two wheelers of these economic activities. By luck or by chance, we are part of the economic activities. We may be an employer, we may be a senior, we may be a junior, we may be a worker, we may be a service provider for these commercial organizations. Commercial organizations are not simply profit centers, they are providing bread and butter to number of people, and we are a contributor towards that particular holy activity. This sense of belongingness towards the organization has to be inculcated inside of us, has to be planted within us so that the organization grows. Not only that one, the moment we are bringing this fact, that the feeling that we are belonging to the organization or the organization is belonging to us, automatically the sense of sincerity, the sense of duty will come inside of us. The moment sincerity and duty come to us, you are ought to grow inside the organization. You are ought to be important inside the organization, irrespective how much you are being paid, how much you are getting. That is totally different. Yes, in some cases, sometimes we are having a dissatisfaction also. Even then, over and above the dissatisfaction, each of us should have this habit of having the idea of sense of belongingness towards the organization. If we can bring this principle within us, we are going to be an important person inside the organization. We may be working for 1 or 2 years, we may work for 5 years or 10 years, that is totally separate. Suppose we are going inside a train compartment. We are traveling for 3 hours. Even then, we have a feeling that this is my seat. The train should go very safely. Like that, we feel it. Same thing when you are going inside a rented house. You feel it is my house. I should keep it clean. Things should be proper. People should appreciate my house. The same way, the organization, whether we are working for few years or 6 years, 1 or 2 years, maybe any more years, we should have the sense of belongingness towards the organization. This has to be brought inside of us at the earliest possible so that you young people can grow very comfortably, very steadily. This feeling will help you when you are in trouble. You take it granted from me. This feeling that sincerity and duty belongingness, all these factors are going to help any human being when they are in trouble. We are watched. Somebody is watching us. I am sure sincerity will not go unnoticed. This message will definitely go to the senior management or someone who is watching you, who is responsible to watch you, and you are being considered at the right time when the time comes. The sky is the limit for such people who are having the sense of belongingness towards the organization. For the purpose of talking, we may tell, I am just working, I am being paid for it. This happens sometimes. Even then, also, the moment you bring this sense of belongingness inside of you, the sense of ownership, sense of duty, sense of sincerity, these things cannot be shaken. These are principles of life. These are basics of life, human life. The moment you have all these qualities, you are going to be an important person inside the group, inside the organization, inside the institution, inside the society, inside the nation also. So please try to bring this sense of belongingness towards the organization, towards the nation, towards the society, towards the people around you, so that you become important. Okay, nice. Have a good day. We'll again see you with another chapter after 4 or 5 days. Please save this lecture, or you can share the views with other people. You can discuss these points with your people. Thank you. Thank you. See you.